Welcome to
El Salvador!
Woo! So we're taking a pickup truck and we are heading to the nearby waterfalls. But apparently it's dried up, but we're just going to check it out.
That's some good meat.
We've made it to the not so waterfall just down there. So you can see like there's like one pool and yeah, up here there's just loads of like rubble. This is our hotel courtyard, and just up here we're going to go up to sunset. Oh, look at that sunset, 180. Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to El Salvador. Today I am in Ataco, and from here we are going to climb a volcano today. Don't know if you can tell, but I'm tired. It's just gone, well, it's not 6 AM yet, it's about to go 6 AM. And we are going to get a bus and head out towards Santa Ana, which is a city and the volcano nearby. So yeah, we're going to hike that, but it's really rainy at the moment, I don't know if you can tell. So yeah, not the best, but hopefully it's going to stop. So fingers crossed, I'll see you guys there. We're starting our hike in the forest. Hello Yuri. Hey. And we've got about an hour 45 to the top. And we've got our armed guard leading the way. Yeah. Literally on top of the clouds. So cool. Oh, we're starting to hit loads of volcanic rock. Loving it. Volcano stats of Safi. Where did we start, Safi?
Okay, we started 1,800 metres above sea level.
We did.
50 metres above that, we went to the toilets.
Alright, that's a bit too much detail. Take two. Volcano stats of Safi, go!
Okay, so we started 1,800 metres above sea level. 1,850 are the toilets and where you pay.
We don't need the toilets.
It's for knowledge if they want to do it. And we are going to the summit, which is 2,382 metres.
Exactly, which is 582 metres of climbing. And I reckon we're nearly at the top. Entering volcano territory. Woo. Oh, Safi just like ran away.
Ciao.
Crater's just up ahead. Nearly there, nearly there. Oh, jeez. Damn. Woo. Look at that crater. Woo. along the edge of a crater. It's actually ridiculous. Just casually, you know, it's a lot bigger than I thought. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is huge. And yeah, it does smell quite badly of sulphur here. And my mouth tastes of rotten eggs. Apart from that, it's beautiful. Just on the edge of the crater, on a volcano, right? Believe it or not, the ice cream man is coming. Can you see him? He's just in the distance. The ice cream's coming. Ding ding! He's just climbed up a volcano in El Salvador to sell some ice cream. This is the most unreal thing I've ever seen.
That's got a lot of ice in it.
To drink alcohol inside the nature
Madre mía!
Pistachio,
Chicle,
chicle,
zapote,
zapote,
café.
huh?
Gracias.
Bueno.
Oh.
Mate.
Interesting. It's pretty good. It's like a little chocolate umbrella. Volcano. It goes great with the sulphury, smelly Santa Ana. And the view of clouds. Oh. Could someone, you've been framed me, please? Oh, Safi.
I'm just going on my phone.
Taking the easy way out.
I am.
We are making our way down El Volcan. Slowly but surely. It's become a rock climbing expedition, to be honest. Oh, shortcut? Actually, not really. You guys are just taking the long way. Once we had made our way down the volcano, we headed to the Lake Coatepeque for our lunch stop. This lake is actually a volcanic crater lake and it was formed 60 to 70,000 years ago from a series of eruptions. It is 26 kilometers squared, which is huge, and it has pristine blue waters, which is just amazing for swimming. And I am giving you some fake facts here, which is why I'm talking over myself. Hey guys, welcome to Atami. This view is awesome. We are literally just in the resort on the edge of the cliff. That view is incredible. And yeah, it's very much a resort. It's not international, which I'm enjoying. It's very much full of El Salvadorian like tourists. And yeah, today we traveled from Ataco to here, which was about a 3-hour drive. And yeah, the next few days there isn't really much activities going on because it's very much like beach and restore energy from like the trip. Yeah, there won't be much to show you, but today I will show you what's around here. Spotted a local lizard here. Hola amigo. Look at him, isn't he pretty? So down this path you get off the big cliff and down into like the beach, which is below. These are the pools of water they've got at the bottom of the cliff, and the waves are coming right over it because it's high tide. So these ones aren't really safe to use, but I'll definitely go in them later because they're really cool. They're just on the edge of the beach because the beach looks a lot harder to get in. This is another viewpoint down here where you've got the waves just breaking below. Incredible. And you've got the main beach just bending all the way around there. So I'm down on the beach and I really like this beach because I feel like it's got quite a sort of local feel to it in a way. It doesn't feel like it's covered in tourism, obviously it does a bit, but you know, it's got the nice sort of palm tree like restaurants and stuff along here, and then obviously the beach. And the coolest thing about this place is the sand, which I'll show you in a sec. So the sand here is actually black, and hot. It's actually volcanic stone. So it's volcanic stone that's like eroded down, and it is super soft. And it actually, I don't know if you can quite see that, but it like sparkles like glitter in the sun. Hola, buenos dias, welcome back guys, hope you're doing well. I'm currently in the airport in San Salvador, and today I'm flying to Costa Rica. So I'm going to end this video here, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.